India is famous for their Ayurvedic massages where they basically oil you up like you're Sunny Leone or a WWE wrestler. And I've had something similar in Sri Lanka. And that guy, he got way too close to my nut and my butt. He skimmed the nut. I was shocked. And actually, I had to tell him, no butt, no nut. Mujhe nut cut wala nahi chahiye ji. How do I translate that into Malayalam? And just keep it simple. No nut, no butt. Let's go see how this massage is today. You never know what's gonna happen, nah? It's India.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, to start off, you have to take off all your clothes. I'm gonna take off all my clothes here, including underwear. This building is beautiful. It's like old, traditional kind of Kerala style. Today I'm gonna have the Abhyangam massage, which is basically like to rejuvenate my mind and my body. It's a full body massage with all these different warm Indian oils. Then I'm having the Shirodhara massage. And this is, it looks like they're waterboarding you with oil, basically. So they have this little vessel above your head and it's dripping oil onto your forehead. And this is meant to like cleanse your mind, I think. Let's find out if it actually works as well. And if you're worried about coming here, like if you're a guy, you're gonna get a guy massaging you. If you're a girl, you're gonna get a girl masseuse, which is really unfortunate because overseas, guys can get massaged by girls like in New Zealand, like that's what I'm used to, but in India I have to get massages from guys, which, you know, I don't know, I prefer a girl massaging me, right? Okay guys, to start off, you have to take off all your clothes. I'm gonna take off all my clothes here, including underwear, and I'm gonna wear this. It's like, it's very traditional. I don't know how it's gonna fit around me, but I'll show you in 1 second.
This is called langoti.
Langoti.
Langoti, yes.
Okay guys, so this is interesting. Look at what I'm wearing. Literally a tiny, like, dhoti. Literally, it's tiny. And this is exactly what you have to wear for this traditional Ayurvedic Keralan massage. Okay guys, don't be shy. For women, what do women wear?
For the woman also we will give this one.
Yeah.
And sometimes if needed we will cover this area almost like the same we have.
Okay, so if you're a woman, you'll wear the same thing and you can have a bra if you want, but you'll be with a female masseuse.
Yes.
So don't worry, you're not gonna be with a guy. And now I understand why they won't give me a female masseuse. This is why I can't have a female masseuse in India, because I'm wearing this, so yeah, I get it now. You have magic hands, man.
Thank you.
They really focus on every single part of your face and your head and your shoulders in this first part of the massage. Oh my god, they even do your eyebrows, your eyes, your ears, inside your ears. Like, they really massage everywhere. And I'm gonna call this early. Forget the Taj Mahal. This massage, this Ayurvedic massage, is one of the wonders of the world, not the Taj Mahal. Big call, eh? Big call. Alright, time for back. Whoa, taking my pants off. Okay, so this is a butt massage, guys. Everything, literally full body. So guys, that was the back, the spine, the butt, the legs, and the feet. And obviously, you have to go to a reputable place with people who are trained so you can trust them, because you're literally naked in front of them and they're massaging your butt. So you really need to choose where you go wisely and not go to just any place, because you have to trust your massage therapist. And I trust him, and I can tell as soon as they put your hands on you and they start massaging you, you'll tell if they're trained or not. And I can tell that he really knows what he's doing. So, you know, that's why I can feel comfortable and trust him like that. that full body massage was damn amazing, man. And I told you I'd be looking like a WWE wrestler after that. Look how oily I am. And obviously there was a lot of butt and a little bit of nut. So guys, now that you know what will happen during one of these nut and butt massages, you don't have to worry, you won't get the same kind of shock that I did the very first time I did it in Sri Lanka. But in Sri Lanka I was wearing a little bit more than this actually. This is something unique that I'm wearing. So yeah, there's no big shock there for me today, and I'm actually okay with it because I trust the masseuse. I trust him with my body, so it actually feels amazing. Now the next massage we're going to go into is the Shirodhara, and this is where we're going to use this instrument here, and it is going to pour oil over my face, and I don't know what else is going to happen during it. Let's see. It's meant to feel rejuvenating and to help my mind, and right now I feel super relaxed. Like my body feels like brand new, like a baby or something. Feels amazing. This is definitely an experience you have to have in India, and now you know what to expect, so don't worry too much, okay? That massage was incredible. It takes you to another place. You feel like you're somewhere else. It is the most relaxing thing I've ever done in my life. You just can't imagine it. It feels like these warm and hot waves of, waves basically, like at the beach, just washing over your face, and it takes you to another place. It's all black, your eyes are closed, and you start you find peace and you start thinking. It's a totally incredible experience. But now look at all this oil I have on me. We have to get this off. And that's where we come over here to, the shower, and we use this warm water down here to get all the oil off.
Help me, I don't wanna be just a one night stand. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer.
Okay, bye bro, and
bye.
thank you so much. It was an amazing experience.
You're welcome, sir. Thank
Bye.
you.
I can't begin to explain what an incredible experience that was. That is one of the best experiences I've ever had in India. Now I know some of you guys will say, oh, that's so gay. And yeah, this is probably the gayest video I've ever made, but it's not a gay thing. This guy, he's a doctor, and he was caring for me. That's how you should think about it. He was treating my body and caring for me. Even when we showered together, he was helping me get the oil off because it's so difficult. So yeah, look at it like that. It's the doctor caring for you. It's not gay, it's brotherly, that's for sure, but that's all it is. And things are quite different here in India. People live more communally, and yeah, I know this probably wouldn't happen overseas like that, but in India it's just different, and you know who to trust, and of course I can trust him. And yeah, he took amazing care of me. So thank you so much. Every time I come back here, I'll be going there to get the massage again. Yeah, this is incredible India. Jai Hind.